Welcome back to Global Knowledge Factory. Before we start, be sure to subscribe for more amazing videos. If the sizes of charged bodies are very small compared to the distances between them, we treat them as A. Zero charges, B. Point charges, C. Single charge, D. No charges. Answer is B. Point charges. The force per unit charge is known as A. Electric current, B. Electric potential, C. Electric field, D. Electric space. Answer is C. Electric field. What is the dielectric constant of a metal? A -1, B 0, C 1, D infinite. Answer is D infinite. The quantization of charge indicates that A. Charge which is a fraction of charge on an electron is not possible. B. A charge cannot be destroyed. C. Charge exists on particles. D. There exists a minimum permissible charge on a particle. Answer is A. Charge which is a fraction of charge on an electron is not possible. The property which differentiates two kinds of charges is called A. Equality of charge, B. Polarity of charge, C. Fraction of charge, D. None of the option. Answer is B. Polarity of charge. Dash gives the information on field strength, direction and nature of the charge. A. Electric current, B. Electric flux, C. Electric field, D. Electric potential. Answer is C. Electric field. What happens when a glass rod is rubbed with silk? A. Gains protons from silk, B. Gains electrons from silk, C. Gives electrons to silk, D. Gives proton to silk. Answer is A. Gains protons from silk. The process in which a region is made free from any electric field is known as A. Electrostatic forcing, B. Electrostatic binding, C. Electrostatic shielding, D. None of the options. Answer is C. Electrostatic shielding. The formula for electrostatic potential is A. Electrostatic potential is equal to work done into charge, B. Electrostatic potential is equal to work done divided by charge, C. Electrostatic potential is equal to work done plus charge, D. Electrostatic potential is equal to work done minus charge. Answer is B. Electrostatic potential is equal to work done divided by charge. 1 volt is equal to A. 1 coulomb, B. 1 Newton divided by 1 coulomb, C. 1 joule divided by 1 coulomb, D. 1 Newton divided by 1 meter. Answer is C. 1 joule divided by 1 coulomb. The work done in moving a unit positive test charge over a closed path in an electric field is A. Always 1, B. Infinite, C. 0, D. Negative. Answer is C. 0. The electrostatic potential on the perpendicular bisector due to an electric dipole is A. 0, B. 1, C. Infinite, D. Negative. Answer is A. 0. A surface that has the same electrostatic potential at every point on it is known as A. Equal minus potential surface, B. Same potential surface, C. Equimagnitude surface, D. Equipotential surface. Answer is D. Equipotential surface. The work done against electrostatic force gets stored in which form of energy? A. Thermal energy, B. Kinetic energy, C. Potential energy, D. Solar energy. Answer is C. Potential energy. Dielectrics are A. Conducting substances, B. Non-conducting substances, C. Semi-conducting substances, D. None of the option. Answer is B. Non-conducting substances. The electric potential inside a conducting sphere A. is 0, B. increases from center to the surface, C. decreases from center to the surface, D. remains constant from center to the surface. Answer is D. remains constant from center to the surface. The capacity of the parallel plate capacitor increases when A. area of the plate is decreases, B. area of the plate is increases, C. distance between the plates increases, D. none of the option. Answer is B. area of the plate is increased. Thanks for watching and wait for the next video.